We have tons and tons in 12 or more different colors of amazing chrysanthemums. But we've had some questions. How do you keep them looking like this? The most important thing is don't let these beautiful blossoms get wet, because they go from looking like this in their full glory to looking like this, a little rough around the edges. You will see that the flowers are not quite as pretty now. Why is this? We had rain last night and those blossoms that were outside got wet. So when you are watering, make sure that as you water that you don't water from up above. Don't water up here. Put your hose here. This is where you want to water. Keep those blossoms nice and pretty and keep your plants hydrated. Thank you. We hope to see you stop by and visit the nursery soon while the selection is amazing. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday, 12 to 5 p.m. Bye-bye.